Hi, this is Paul Goodwin with your Cabot Weekly review for Friday, March 12th. It's been a pretty good week for the markets. The most important thing that's happened this week from investors' point of view is that the inflation figures came in from China and they were slightly higher than expected. This rattled the markets briefly yesterday, but as frequently happens when there's a piece of news that rattles the amateurs, the professionals moved in the afternoon and picked up the bargains. So what we see here is the S&P 500, and it's right back to where it was in its January highs. A very healthy situation. Volume is good. We may get a little bit of a correction today as people are taking profits, and also the possibility that inflation is okay here, but some news on the unemployment front may be discouraging people slightly. But things are holding up well, and as you can see, both volume and price are doing okay. The strongest sectors we have right now are chip stocks, and we have some of them in the Cabot model portfolio. I wanted to just show you a few others. This is Sandisk, which makes flash memory, and one of the things I like here is that there's a nice uptrend here, and as frequently happens when a stock corrects sharply and then parallels the line, it will frequently get going again and return to its trend line. A lot of good support for Sandisk here. Also, Volterra is doing well, although it's a much more a volatile stock. You can see this, it makes these small movements here, and yet the trend line remains up. So, and a nice high volume spike here, indicating that there's some institutional interest here. And you look at the weekly chart, and it looks even stronger. The number 2 sector is network stocks, and Riverbed is doing well. Has a long, not a tight base, but one that works well there, and then breaks out of it here. So and Emulex, symbol ELX. Is also doing very nicely, and we like the looks of the volume. Among the Chinese stocks that I follow, one that has been doing well is Puda Coal. You can see this is, as with many emerging market stocks, trading under 10. It's been very volatile, a wide range here. But if you look at these volume spikes, the last couple of weeks, you can see that there is a tremendous amount of buying going on there. And second is Vanceinfo Tech, an outsourced software R&D company. Again, base here, and then just blasts off. And again, we have some very big volume weeks here. So that's about it for this week. Good luck to you all, and I'll talk to you again soon. Thanks.